It's the sound of the rain coming down when you fall asleep. It's a call from a friend that you love but never get to see. All the time you could waste trying to chase what you never need. Hope you come back around to simple things. How's it been 4 or 5 years since I got down on my knees? And how could I forget the sweet smell of the honeysuckles in the breeze? Would've never thought trying to chase this dream would give me nightmares. Now I get no sleep. Nowadays seems like the only thing that calms me is the sound of the rain coming down when you fall asleep.